light still lingers at the pane. The clouds are drifting, torn apart. And sunlight flickers through the air, like something whispering to the heart. A restless sparrow in the dust shakes silver drops from trembling wings, as if the world itself awakens to hear what quiet springtime sings. From sky to earth a curtain falls, a gentle veil of golden rain. And far beyond the forest edge stands glowing softly through the haze. Two drops have touched the window glass. The air is sweet with blooming trees, and something moves within the garden. Soft footsteps hidden in the leaves.